Hey, let's see. What do we got here? These look like, oh, these are the new bags from Travelpro that we just got in. Well, hey folks, my name's Dave. I'm here at the Luggage Lab at Liebers.com, and today we're going to be doing a review of the Maxlite Weekender Drop Bottom. All right, well, let's dive into this bag. This is kind of cool. Looks like I have 3 different colors here at our store. They're available in a few other colors. We went with our very traditional blue and black. We carry that in a lot of stuff from Travelpro. The violet pink color up here, that was just kind of a fun, I think it's actually called Orchid. That was just kind of a fun color that we wanted to bring in and see how it did. So they are available in other colors. These are the 3 that we have here in our store. Let's take a look at these and see what makes them cool. So first off, looking at the outside of the bag, I'm going to have a trolley sleeve right here. That's going to be demonstrated by our Orchid bag up on top of one of our suitcases. Looking at the rest of the bag, I have a nice end pocket. End pockets are wonderful places to keep your Snickers bar, your book, your headphones, a pen, any of those quick accessories that you need to get to in the middle of a flight. One thing that I do want to mention, this is a fairly large bag, and so we're going to be calling this your carry-on bag. This is definitely not a personal item. This is not an under-seat bag. So in this configuration, you're going to have to be traveling with a partner. Your partner will have the rolling suitcase. You're going to be carrying this. And speaking of carrying this, I have 2 ways to go. I have a standard 2-handle carry handle here. I also have a very nice over-the-shoulder sleeve, or over-the-shoulder strap, I guess. So very comfortable, easy to carry the bag. Looking at other features on here, I do have a front pocket. This is pretty straightforward. Again, good place to store small book, novel, whatnot, whatever quick items you need during your trip. And then we get into the most important part of a drop bottom bag like this, which is the drop bottom. So let's find the zippers. Gonna open that guy all the way up. And the idea behind this configuration is the drop bottom here is a wonderful place to put shoes, wonderful place to put laundry. It's something that's going to be separated from the rest of your clothes. So, hey, I do some running and so on and so forth. If I want to take my running shoes, I'm going to put those down here. That's going to keep them away from the rest of my bag. Keeps everything smelling a little bit fresher and so on and so forth. And it's just a great organization place for various things that you might need to take with you on a trip. So we got that going on, and then let's take a look at the main compartment here. This is a very generous space. This bag, I can easily get enough stuff in here for a couple days worth of a trip. Boy, oh boy, I'd have no problem putting in 3 days worth of clothing in the top, a couple of shoes in the bottom, and I'm good to go. So for those short, literally weekend trips, this is an ideal bag for you. You can ditch the heavier carry-on, go with something like this, and you'll be off and running. So that kind of wraps up our little review on the Maxlite Drop Bottom Weekender bag here. If you enjoy the content that you see, come on over and like and subscribe to our channel. If you're here in Albuquerque, drop by the store. And if not, we are on Liebers.com, where we have everything but the trip. Thank you.